Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application and then tap on the continue button and you will be asked to log in or sign up in order to start using the Uber Eats app. Now from this page, if you used your phone number or your Google account to sign up to your account, then click on the respective buttons, otherwise tap on continue with email. You can also enter your phone number and tap on continue. Once you proceed with either one of these options, you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. After typing in your email address or phone number, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to your email address or your phone number depending on the credential that you use to sign in. Just check your inbox or your SMS and you will find the 4-digit code. Simply enter this 4-digit code within the given box and tap on the next button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you cannot find your account, tap on the Find My Account option and you will see if any previous account has been signed in to this device, and you can simply tap on this to proceed with logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.